Hi, this is Jo-Anna Nieves from the Nieves Law Firm in Oakland, California, where we take the criminal out of criminal defense. And today I'm going to speak to you about the eligibility requirements for a certificate of rehabilitation. In a prior video, I discussed what a certificate of rehabilitation is under Penal Code Section 4852.01. And now we're going to talk about the different things that exclude you or permit you to apply for this type of relief. First and foremost, it's your crime of conviction. If you were convicted of a misdemeanor, you are not eligible for this type of relief unless it was a specified misdemeanor sex offense that requires registration and that offense has already been dismissed. The other two alternatives are if you were convicted of a felony, a probation felony, where that has now been dismissed, or you were convicted of a felony and served state prison time. Some other things to consider. In order to apply, you have to have been a resident in the state of California for at least 5 consecutive years since your release. That leads me to the next point. You need to have been released from supervision. You cannot still be incarcerated. You cannot be on probation. You cannot be on parole. You have to be free from supervision. In addition to the 5 years of residency requirement, you have to do an additional length of rehabilitation. So those 5 years plus 5 additional years for eligible sex offenses, 4 additional years for crimes like murder or kidnapping, and then 2 additional years for almost all other offenses. So the total length of time before petitioning for rehabilitation can vary between 7, 9, or 10 years total. In addition to those items that we talked about, the law has now changed and you can apply for this relief not only in your county of residence but also your county of conviction. So you have if those areas are different, you have 2 options for where you can file this relief. It is important to remember that there are certain ineligibilities in addition to the crime of conviction. If you are in the military, you're not eligible. If you are serving a life parole supervision requirement, you're not eligible. If you have been sentenced to death, not eligible. And if this is a 290 offense that is not listed as one of the included offenses, specifically those that relate to crimes involving children, you are not eligible. And if this was a misdemeanor offense, a non-sex offender requirement misdemeanor offense, you will not be eligible. So that is a lot of information, and what our office does is we deal with this type of information on a regular basis. So if you think that there is a shot at relief or you just want to explore your options of relief, give our office a call. Contact us. You can log on to our website and send a contact form, or you can give us a call and we will be happy to explore whether or not there's some sort of remedy that our office can help you achieve. Thank you.